Wieħed mill-fatturi li jiġbdu lejn pajjiżna lill produtturi tal-films huwa l-mod kif pajjiżna jista' joffri xenarji li joħolqu lokazzjonijiet diversi. Tkellmu dwar dan atturi mill-film 13 Hours, film li nġibet f'pajjiżna fl-aħħar xhur u li ħalla mal-$50 miljun Amerikan fl-ekonomija Maltija. L-attur James Badge kien fost dawk li nnotaw il-vantaġġi li toffri Malta.
How willing are you to die for your country? I'm ready to go right here, right now.
What's interesting about Malta is it seems to be malleable. You know, there's so many people from so many different other countries, and there's different influences here. You know, Malta can become a lot of different places.
Dan il-film huwa dwar l-attakk fuq bażi Amerikana fil-Libja li seħħ fl-2012, attakk li ħalla lill-Ambaxxatur Amerikan John Christopher Stevens mejjed. Fost l-atturi hemm ukoll Max Martini li ħasem f'diversi films ta' suċċess, fosthom Saving Private Ryan u Pacific Rim.
The locations that I've shot in have been great, especially for this movie, being set in the Middle East. I've been to the Middle East. I've been to Iraq and Afghanistan and Kuwait, and you know, obviously this is a great place to shoot stories that take place in that specific area.
L-istorja ta' pajjiżna hija xi ħaġa li laqtet bil-kbir lil dawn l-atturi li damu jgħixu Malta madwar 3 xhur. Semmew il-Belt Valletta b'mod partikolari għalkemm ma naqsitx ir-referenza għall-ospitalità li rċevew meta kienu hawn.
The experience here has been amazing. We've had you know, just an incredible reception from the locals, and
The crew's been great, and you know, all the neighborhood's been really accommodating, and we try to be kind back to them, and you know, it's been a wonderful experience so far.
Fl-modi ma kinux wieħed u tnejn l-atturi li ġew Malta għat-tieni darba. Brad Pitt u Raoul Bova huma żewġ eżempji u Max Martini ma jiddejjaqx li kieku jkollu jagħmel bħalhom.
you know, I would return here in a heartbeat. I hope that I get another job that shoots here. You know, I've fallen in love with the people. I've fallen in love with the island.